What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cake of my canal. So today we're here to do another unboxing on a ring light. So I picked this ring light up from the TK Maxx. I picked this up for €29.99. Let's just say €30. The reason why I picked this ring light is because right now we're in the summer, but the summer is kind of a bit over right now. We're heading into the darker, longer night, shorter day. So the ring light that I had is having some issues. I bought this ring light long time ago from AliExpress. I can't remember when I bought this ring light, but it's having some issues. And you guys know when the winter season is coming, for you to be able to film a makeup look or any kind of video, you need some good ring light. So I saw this. I wanted to invest in a ring light that I saw. It was like €150, like very good one, like just the same like the one I bought from AliExpress, but this one is from Holland company. And so I thought I wanted to invest in that one before I went to the TK Maxx and I saw this ring light. So I decided to pick this up. I'm filming with the daylight, so please excuse the lighting. So I picked this one up at the TK Maxx. So when I saw this one, I thought, let me give this first a try, and if it's not really working, then I may go and pick a professional ring light. So this is what this one looked like. Actually, this is a different, it's not like the super big ring light. So this one looks like, this is what it looks like. It has this thing here where you can control your light, and at the back it tells you how you can use the camera, the accessories that comes with the ring light, how long is the lights, the stand and everything. So now that I have shown you all this, let's open it. I haven't actually opened it yet since I got it. Oops, I haven't actually opened it yet, so this is like actually my first time actually opening it. I haven't even touched or done anything. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. I think this is gonna be super nice for like when I'm doing like cooking videos, or I'm doing something in the kitchen, something downstairs. It's very easy, so it's kind of like very easy to transport. So let's put the stand, because for me that is it. Like, how tall, how long is this stand? I think you can definitely put the head on a different stand, because I also have this stand that I got from AliExpress a while ago. I feel like it looks the same like this one. Yeah, you can put it like this and close it. So let's see how tall or how long. Close this one. How long? Oh my god, it's not that long. It's really not that long. Oh, okay. And here it doesn't open any further. Okay, it's not that long, and for you to charge it, you need an USB battery. So it's not that long, but it's also definitely not that short, because I do have a stand that I picked up from AliExpress, which I feel like the stand will actually fit this head perfectly. With this one, I have like this charger about the thing you can charge, which you can charge your you can charge it, and then you can use it to, I feel like that one will be perfect for this one. So yeah, so this is what this one looks like. And what did it came with? Oh yeah, it came with this one in case you want to put, what is this one for? Oh, this one is for the thing where the phone will stand. So they just put this one So if you want, you gotta loose this one like this. Oh, you can't, you don't have to loose this one. You can just put the head, and it has this thing here which you can open for the head. What is this? Oh yeah, you can put this one like this. Oh, let me close it first before I break things. Can you, oh yeah, yes, you can remove this one, and I don't know, so no, oh, I think that this one you have to remove. How does it work? It doesn't have a book. I think it has a book inside. Yeah, it has a small mini paper. Okay, now I understand. With this one, you have to remove this head and put this one in there, because I really do not get it. Yeah, that's what it's saying. That's what it's saying here. Like, you have to remove this head and put this one. So I don't know how is this going to work. Okay, but at least the most important thing is that you can put this one, especially when you are doing, I feel like this one is more nice for cooking videos. I can easily put my phone. Let's see. Yeah, so I could easily put my phone. So I feel like this would be really nice for cooking videos, me doing other things. So this is super nice, and you can actually turn the camera around if you want to. You can turn it from this side, because normally when I'm filming with cooking videos, I like to film from the back. So I normally like to put my phone like this. Like this. And then you can actually switch the phone. Okay, and then you can put it like this, and then you can film. So guys, this is what it looks like. It's a little bit lighter. I feel like this is gonna be much easier. It's unfortunately that I don't have, I think the battery here that I have, I don't think is fully charged. Let me get it and see if it works. I'm talking about this one. It's like you charge your phone. Okay, so let's see if this is good. Wow. So you guys, this is what I look like. This is good. This is real good. It's really good. So this is what it looks like. So this is the plus and the min. Oh, you can change the color. Warm, you can put it warm, neutral. Okay, and then you can min if you want to dull it, plus if you want to lift it up. So if I feel like this is going to be very handy for me. I need to charge this completely, and then when I charge this completely, I'll be able to use this one. I really like it. I feel like it's so nice. I feel like it's going to be, let me see, I want to show you guys what it looks like when I use this as video. So I'm going to switch the camera. I'm going to put my camera on this one just to show you guys what it looks like, okay? Because right now I feel like when I try to show you guys the brightness, this is going to be in front so you can actually fully see. So guys, this is what it looks like with the ring light. Of course, right now I'm sitting like, I'm not sitting in front of the window. I'm kind of sitting like the other side. So let's kind of like change the settings, okay? No, let's go plus. This is the highest you can go, and then when you change the warmness, like this is, you see, you can change. This is more like neutral. This is more warm with like a pink something, I don't know. This one is okay. And yeah, so these are like the settings that you have, and it's nice. I love the fact that you can use something like this to put it on. So this is it. These are the settings, and let me know what you guys think. But you know, normally I'll put the ring light here, and then I'll sit like this so you guys can have a good view of what it looks like. Now I'm putting the ring light on the side, so yeah, but you guys can see what I'm working with. So this is natural light. This is my natural daylight, just having the windows open, not everything, but just a little bit of the window open. This is natural. I really love the natural lighting. It's really, really nice, but this is also very handy for the darker days, the winter time. So yeah, I'm kind of happy, and I got this one for 30 euros. So I think this one will play a good role for now. We can just keep on using it, and if it's necessary for me to get the more stronger one, I will, but for now I feel like this is okay. So this is just a quick unboxing. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. Peace out. Bye.